DJI goggles support a wide range of DJI aircraft. This video will show you how to connect the DJI goggles to the aircraft. Connecting the DJI goggles to the Mavic Pro. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Ensure that the remote controller is linked with the aircraft. Power on the DJI goggles. In the main screen, click Tools. Settings. Linking settings. Quick linking. Confirm. Press the linking button on the aircraft. Then press Confirm on the goggles to complete the linking. When using the DJI goggles with the Mavic Pro, you can connect the mobile device to the remote controller and launch DJI Go 4 at the same time. Connecting the DJI goggles to other DJI aircraft. Take the Phantom 4 as an example. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Ensure that the remote controller is linked with the aircraft. Power on the DJI goggles. Connect the DJI goggles to the remote controller with the USB cable. DJI goggles can also be connected to the remote controller with an HDMI cable and serve as a monitor only. For supported models and functions, you can refer to Controlling the Aircraft section in the DJI goggles user manual. Thank you for watching.